What is going on YouTube? It's me, your boy Jeronakeem, and I'm back here in another video. And as you can see from the title, today we're going to talk about 3 lucrative side hustles that you can start today to start earning some extra money, especially if you work a full-time job. You want to make extra streams of income outside of your full-time job, just like me. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first side hustle we have is none other than a noted loan signing agent. But before we clock at this video, because a lot of you is like, oh, blah, 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 I've already heard this, the industry is oversaturated, X, Y, and Z. Well, let me tell you, there is room. Because during these last couple months to a year, a lot of people have shockingly stopped wanting to be a noted loan signing agent. They sold their printers, they sold their laptops. So in hindsight, there is room for you to become a noted loan signing agent. And I want to tell you, there are a lot of free resources out here that you guys can look up, get into to become a noted loan signing agent. No, you don't necessarily have to take a course. No, I took a course because basically it's just another skill set that you're gaining on top of being a notary first, and then you're gaining that skill of becoming a loan signing agent where you're being versed and know how to do real estate closing transactions. Now, like I said, if becoming a noted loan signing agent, like I said, the course is not in your budget, you can definitely check out my link in the description below. I have an ebook for $19.99 where I give you the steps on how to become a noted loan signing agent. So definitely check that out. Now I will say, on the average, you can make as minimum of $150, $300 a month, always up to $10K a month. Now there are a ton of noted loan signing agents that are making $10K a month, and we got sirens. So definitely check that out. Go on YouTube. That's how I learned how to become a noted loan signing agent. I watched a ton of YouTube videos. I took the shortcuts on how to get a cheap printer, Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, the startup costs can be minimal and low. You just have to go out here and look for these low printers on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, look wherever, get your used printer. That's what I started out with, and that's how I built my noted loan signing agent business. Yes, volume has been up and down, but like I said, I feel like it's still good. Something happened under your belt is becoming a noted loan signing agent. Alright, so the second one we have is YouTube. As you guys know, I have been monetized on YouTube for the last 3 years. Now within the 3 years, I've only been monetized for, I want to say 2.5 years, I became monetized on YouTube. And another reason why I am harping on starting a YouTube channel, because you may think you have nothing to talk about when actually you do. You will be surprised on people that would be relatable to you, whether you're talking about being a single parent, working X, Y, and Z jobs, what industry you work in. There are people that are wanting or willing to watch your videos and hear what you got to say. So I tell people all the time, how do I start a channel? How do I start a channel? Just get a camera and press record. It don't have to be a camera. I started out with my iPhone. I had an iPhone, I want to say XS is what I started out with when I first started YouTube. And basically I didn't upgrade my equipment until I became monetized. That's when I invested in a camera. I had the Canon G7X Mark III or 2 or something like that. That was my first camera that I invested in when I became a YouTuber. And to date, definitely check out my latest video on how much I've made since I've been monetized on YouTube. I will put that in the box somewhere on the screen so you guys can definitely check that out, so you can see how much I've made as a YouTuber, being monetized on this platform. So anytime you guys see where I say, hey, this video is sponsored by X, Y, and Z, just know that there's a check behind that, because that's called a sponsorship. So basically, this brand or company is paying me X amount of dollars to talk about their product for 15 to 30 seconds or whatever deal we work out in the videos. So becoming a YouTuber, whatever you want to call it, is a great way to make additional income outside of your normal 9 to 5, 8 to 5, and also on TikTok. TikTok is very popular right now, so definitely check out TikTok as well. Alright, and then another third lucrative source of income side hustle is affiliate marketing. A lot of people don't talk about affiliate marketing. Well, let me take that back. A lot of people do talk about affiliate marketing, especially if you're scrolling through TikTok. You'll see people saying, I made blah blah affiliate marketing. Click on my link to learn more. Then you go into that link and they're wanting you to invest in $40, $40, $60, $100 to tell you how to get into affiliate marketing, when you can go on YouTube and type in affiliate marketing, how to get started for free. That's what I did, and basically that's what I learned about. So basically for me, how I got started in affiliate marketing is basically when I took the loan signing system course. Now that course, basically when people signed up with my link, I got a bounce back. So basically I got a commission from that. And I want to say in total, I'll pull it on the screen. I don't care to share with you guys. In total, I feel like with that loan sign affiliate course, I want to say I gained a total of, I want to say it was between $4,000 to $5,000 total that I've been paid out altogether with people just using my link to purchase that course. Like I said, that's the course that I highly recommend. It's not required. Like I said, if you don't have the money to pay for it, you don't have to. There are other free resources out here to use, but that's just a course that I still to this day stand by because I loved it. And not even that, but I met so many people when I took the loan signing system course and went to the conference, and believe it or not, a lot of my direct clients I met at that conference who still send me business as of today. So that's why I say networking is also a big thing. But another way I am starting to see a lot of people are tapping into the affiliate marketing space is with Amazon. So a lot of people don't realize, well, I see a lot of people are talking about basically how you can take Amazon's bestsellers, start you a Pinterest business page, create a pin, and then basically you can put your link in that, and that's how people can find out basically about your link, and then basically you can resell it to them. So basically check that out. Now, like I said, these are just the top 3. Let me know if you guys want me to do. I have a ton more lucrative side hustles ideas you guys can do. I probably see the commercials in the background because I was trying to do a little zoom, but it ain't working because I ain't paying for the free YouTube premium. I watch the ads because that's how we get paid as YouTubers. But anyway, back on topic. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you guys like this video. If you want me to go into more other side hustles, can't talk today. If you want me to go into more side hustles that you guys can take a look into, like I said, there's driving apps I can talk about, Amazon Flex. There's so many other side hustles I can talk about, but I just wanted to see how well this video would do. If you guys really like this topic, if you want me to go into depth or see more, I don't mind doing that. But definitely let me know in the comments below. Definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.